So here are the fish that I recently have right now. I have a red parrot cichlid and 2 convicts. They recently gave me fry. Right now I have like 10, sorry about that, I have like 10 baby convicts. I did a water test and my water isn't doing well so far. So I need to find these little babies a new home before my water kills them. It is an amazing thing to see little baby fish grow from such tiny little things to they're probably what, half an inch, most of them. They have quite a personality. The dad convict's really aggressive to my red parrot, but the mommy really isn't. Like the red parrot actually fight back the mom, but not the dad. I just love my red parrot fish. Been having them for what, about almost a year? 10 months? Yeah. I've changed the decorations. This is my second decoration. I will probably post a picture or something on the side to show you my previous one. Sometimes I don't know where they're deciding to swim, so I'm sorry if you don't see them at times. I don't know if I'm just focusing on what I'm talking. But there's them. Here's my parrot. My filter just broke, so I have like a little cheap backup one. Meanwhile, my actual filter comes in. I'm using the Fluval U4. That's for 34 through 65 gallons. And I recently have a 50-gallon tank. I have no idea why that red parrot doesn't fight back the dad, which is this one right here. There's dad and there's mom. Then you can see the difference on size. Because my red parrot, before I had these ones here, was with a what do you call it? An Oscar. And he killed my Oscar. It was bigger than him. Or her. I don't know what it is really right now. So that's just them with the lighting on the tank. I really don't have a light right now. So yeah, that's it for right now. I'll probably post a different one with my new filter and set it up with you guys or something. Need to do a water change. That little filter isn't really doing much. My heater's working perfectly great. Now we can see here. It's at 80 degrees. Holy cow, that's warm. I actually changed the decoration because my husband wanted a like pirate ship or something like that. But I like it. They're always at the top when I'm near, like the whole time. Like give me food, you know? Like, I know you come to feed me, so why aren't you feeding me? So they stay on top. And when I'm not around, they're swimming all over the place. Which they're at the bottom, middle, blah blah. I recently got this little thing right here, which it's been growing fast. It was super tiny. But my husband loves this one right here. Because it looks like a shark. It's pretty cool. People say, like, I don't like it because it just swims up and down. This one right here actually has its own personality, its own thought, blah blah. I don't see it swimming up and down all the time. It just goes everywhere. And so far I'm glad everything's going well, because I know, like they say, the convicts, when they become parents, they become really aggressive. At first, yes, it was like, oh my god, this one's terrorizing my tank so bad that I needed to split the tank in half. Sorry. And I kept this one on one side and the rest on the other side. I didn't really want to take out the babies. Because I know they like to parent. And I just love that about them. But I'm still trying to find homes for them because I don't want them to die because there's like some bad nitrites, whatever it is, or bad ammonia, because I have too many fish in my tank, blah blah. Let's see how it goes when I change my get my new filter, and see how that helps out, because this one's just a Tetra filter that's just cheap in the Whisper Tetra filter. It's really quiet though. I like that. See, they just follow where they think I'm gonna open or something. Okay, and that's basically the whole entire tank. 50-gallon tank. I never thought I would have a tank this big. In the past, I've had other tanks that are like, what, like 10-gallon tanks, and I had goldfish in them, and that wasn't really the right thing to do. Back then, I didn't really know much about what fish needed and the size of the tank and water and all this cleaning stuff. Oh, but now I learn a lot more, and I am more caring about my pets. Actually, have one dog outside. He's doing great. He's 6 years old. I'll probably show him to you later. But yeah, so far I think I'm doing good. Besides my water, I need to find homes to my little fishies. No one of my co-workers where I work took some, and probably will try to give her a little bit more because I know she has space for them. And I know they're gonna keep breeding, so I will have to choose what to do with these guys, because the water is gonna keep changing every time they give us little fishies. Yeah, and I know they say to not put the tank near a window or something, but that's all the lighting they get. My blinds don't really get open at all. And when they do, it's just because I'm dusting. So I don't have a terrible algae problem at all. Everything's great with that so far. But yeah, I'm still waiting for my filter that'll probably help me out more, because this one's just like, okay. But it's doing its job, I guess, right? Okay, I guess that will be it. I'll see you guys later. Probably with another fish video. Oh yeah, for my new filter that's coming and setting it up and everything, I'll probably make a video for that. And then I'll show you my dog later. He's pretty awesome. Can't do much tricks, but he's pretty awesome to me. Alright, bye-bye.